Hello everybody, Steve here, and today we have a Mini Lock Monday special. This is the little brass little padlock that I got from Lockmania a little while ago, and so this is a great lock. I do like it. A lot of fun to work with this one, but it is small, and so we need to zoom in a bit and zoom even more. There we go. So this little brass padlock is, I counted 4 pins in it, and it is 30 millimeters, or just over an inch and an eighth, basically, and almost an inch a quarter. So anyway, 30 millimeter brass padlock, and it is a Burg Wachter Magno. I guess that's how you pronounce it, but anyway, so there's the front and there's the back. Somebody might want to read that for me, but it's kind of hard to, with a little bit of a glare. It's kind of hard to see. But anyway, there's the top and the sides, and there's the bottom, the keyway. And you can see the drainage hole there, but nice little lock. I think it's 4 pins. Not a bad little lock. A lot of fun to pick. I've practiced with it, so hopefully I can get this on camera this time. It's been a little bugger for me today. But anyway, we'll use a little multi-pick 1.3 tension wrench in the bottom of the keyway. And then we'll use the Jimmy Long's short hook with the flat tip. And I think the best way I've found to get this is to go all the way to the back and start on pin 4, kind of medium tension. So let's see, pin number 4. Let's get a Okay, what's going on? What am I doing? Okay, let's try this again. Pin number 4. I guess you need to get a good grip on it. Nice tension. Even tension. You don't want to be trying to get a death grip on it. But anyway, pin 4. I can get on pin 4. Come on, pin 4. Okay, well, let's move on to pin 3. Pin 2. Come on, somebody do something in there. Pin 1. Pin 1 just not even doing anything. Okay, pin 2, try that, pin 2. Somebody, well, maybe I'm just binding against the core. Sometimes when you're picking at the bottom of the keyway, you have to make sure your tension wrench isn't binding against the core there. So let me try to make sure that it's not doing that. Okay, that's pin 1. Nothing. Pin 2. There, nice tension, nice binding there. Get a little subtle click there. Let's try pin 3. Nothing. Pin 4. Get worked under that. It's binding. And there's a nice click there. There we go. Sounds better. So pin 3. Nothing there. Pin 2. Oh, there we go. We got it. Come on. A little stiff. Got it picked. There we go. Nicely picked. Yeah, that's kind of, you have to be careful. That tension wrench is definitely binding against the side of the body of the lock. So that's one thing you have to be worried about. There we go. nicely picked open. Nice little 30mm Burg Wachter Magno. I pronounced that incorrectly. Somebody will probably tell me, but anyway. There we go. Nicely picked. That's it for our mini lock Monday. Nice little brass Burg Wachter padlock there. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, a like. Make sure you're subscribed, and definitely leave some comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.